analytical workload.
Yes.
So I need to go for some other database. So finally what happened is while deployment happens, we have to go for the database maintenance is very difficult task for us. Different database administrator is required to maintain the day-to-day the kind of database health.
Yeah.
So finally the third generation is coming to is a new SQL kind of things. Third generation is a new SQL. It's a kind of a big data kind of platforms coming to the picture. So one database can do everything. What I'm feeling is a lot of distributed, I can say that's a distributed SQL database. Like a structured database is something I put in first generation. Now coming to second generation, the no SQL kind of database introduced. Then third generation, now we are in third generation, now we can see that there is a distributed SQL database. We can scale out the database on the fly. It's not like normally we are doing with the vertical scaling. Now we can scale out the database with the both workload. I can say OLTP, maybe telecom industry, everywhere. It's not only telecom. There is two types of workload, like the OLTP, online transaction processing, and analytical processing. So as I said, like when you are preparing initially, when I am sitting with my pre-sales team, what I am doing is like a BOQ. It's my experience I am sharing here. Okay, so application database. Okay, is application database? Go with some collection database. Okay, then we prepare the third-party software license. Then go to preparing, okay, I have the reporting system and I have the customer care requirement, I have a lot of analytical, machine learning kind of integration required for this, and then I will go with analytics. Then we'll search in Google or something, what is analytic database with the top list from, I will go through DB engines, there is links are available like DB engines, then we will go, which is the best database for analytical workload. Right. So then we will choose something like that. Then the problem is finally what happened is maintaining this kind of database are very, very task. Then finally what we are doing is the dimension, as we can see that some databases are available in the market.
Yeah.
To do this survey both like OLTP and OLAP and everything. One database can do everything. Like whatever we are doing is data platform architecture, we can say we require real-time browsing. Then next one is we need a data security. That is one of the key factors nowadays because based on my interaction with multiple customers like in Middle East, they are not transferring the data from one place to another place.
Right.
Mainly for cloud.
Yeah.
They are always doing everything on premise. So they are not interested to move even one server to another server. They want a data security like encryption and I can say like that data masking. So many security features, data governance, compliance, GDPR kind of compliance kind of data security. Then we have a data lake and data kind of data warehousing solution. So one database can manage like yes, I can able to handle the OLTP transaction workload I have to handle. Along with I need to handle this data warehouse, data kind of data lake kind of solution. Then integration with the different data sources with one ETL capability.
That's right. Yeah.
Then these are the main key features. I'm just then machine learning integration.
Yeah. Yeah.
So the database, some databases definitely they are providing some machine learning capabilities inside the database. We don't need to go for any kind of algorithm like we are using like in our one of the product like a CVM. We are calling as a CVM, customer value management. This kind of a product. What we are doing is mainly to operate for identifying the customer behavior pattern to reduce the churn. So these are the main problem we are facing in the everywhere. Even maybe have Middle East, Africa, we have deployed multiple products like our CVM deployment. There we are using more on analytical platform with the machine learning integration. Okay, so predictive analytics.
Yeah.
So behavior understand that we are collecting all the data from the networks, customer usage information like data volume like voice, SMS, some other SMSC like this information we are collecting from the system. Then we are analyzing this each subscriber patterns, whether subscriber is like a normal data usage subscriber or whether subscriber is a voice only using voice subscriber. So this our model, our analytical model is run on the background and filter out the right subscriber and giving the right offer to the right time. The real time. So we are playing with a huge volume of data. That is the first case. So how to manage everything in a one single platform? That is a challenge. So now third generation database have this capability.
Yeah.
That is why now we are here to discussing about this third generation. That's one of the.
Thank you, Anish, for that. I think coming to you, right, Venki, you guys have been a data pioneers, been they have been doing, and how far have you guys come across and trying to unify data and kind of enhance your data offering to your users?
Yeah, I think it's a difficult question.